Who wouldn't love a red carpet smile, showcasing their pearly whites in all their shining glory? Unfortunately, not everyone can swing by the dentist every other month for professional teeth whitening. But fret not. You can save your hard-earned money and whiten your teeth naturally at home. In today's video, we'll delve into home remedies you can trust for natural teeth whitening. Oil pulling asterisk. Ever heard of oil pulling? This traditional home remedy, originating from India, not only aids in boosting oral health but also corrects teeth discoloration. Coconut oil is a preferred choice due to its taste and health benefits. It contains lauric acid, helping eliminate bacteria and inflammation. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes reduces harmful bacteria, preventing plaque buildup. Experience the benefits of a professional teeth whitening treatment combined with the ancient practice of oil pulling. Our specialized teeth whitening procedure, carried out by trained professionals, utilizes advanced techniques to brighten your smile. When paired with oil pulling, a holistic oral care method known for its cleansing and detoxifying properties, the process not only enhances the whiteness of your teeth but also promotes overall oral health. Discover the synergy of modern dental expertise and traditional wellness practices for a radiant, confident smile. Baking soda asterisk. This kitchen staple, often found in commercial toothpaste, acts as a mild abrasive to remove surface stains. It creates an alkaline environment preventing bacterial growth. While not an overnight solution, regular use can show results in weeks. Studies have highlighted its efficacy in cleaning teeth, reducing gum inflammation, and removing stains. Experience the effectiveness of a professional-grade teeth whitening treatment infused with the natural power of baking soda. Our specialized approach combines the expertise of professionals with the gentle yet potent properties of baking soda, ensuring a thorough and radiant whitening experience for your smile. Hydrogen peroxide asterisk. Despite initial apprehension, hydrogen peroxide has proven effective in teeth whitening. Commercial products contain higher concentrations than those recommended for home use. Diluting it with water or using a mouthwash containing a safe concentration is advisable. It's known to effectively remove stains and surpass charcoal-based products in effectiveness. Powdered milk and toothpaste asterisk. Dairy products, especially milk, contain calcium and phosphorus vital for remineralizing tooth enamel. Using powdered milk with toothpaste or directly brushing with it aids in keeping teeth strong and white. Lemon juice and water asterisk. Lemon, containing acid, acts as a natural whitening agent. However, caution is necessary due to its acidic nature. Using it sparingly mixed with water can help, but frequent use can erode enamel. Other citrus fruits like oranges and pineapples offer similar benefits without the harsh effects. Fruits and vegetables asterisk. Crunchy fruits and veggies like apples, carrots, and celery naturally clean teeth by removing plaque when chewed. Enzymes in fruits like pineapple are believed to aid in removing stains. Flossing asterisk. Plaque buildup is a primary cause of tooth discoloration. Regular flossing reduces bacteria, preventing issues like gingivitis and complementing your brushing routine. Prevention is key. Avoid smoking, moderate foods and drinks that stain teeth, consider fluorosis risks from excess fluoride, and address teeth grinding. Maintaining oral health not only brightens your smile but ensures lasting strength and health for your teeth. What's your experience with these natural remedies? Share in the comments below. Want to explore the stark contrast between dental office and at-home teeth whitening methods? Dive into what each treatment involves and what you should consider when seeking a teeth whitening solution for optimal outcomes. In the past decade, the landscape of teeth whitening, whether in a professional dental setting or in the comfort of your own home, has undergone remarkable transformations. Essentially, there are two avenues for achieving whiter teeth: dental, in-office, whitening, and at-home treatments. Unveil the undisclosed secrets about teeth whitening that many dentists might prefer to keep under wraps. Method number 1. Dental, in-office, teeth whitening. Speaking from direct experience, dentists relish patients seeking teeth whitening procedures within their dental offices. In the early 90s, there was only one available option: your dentist would create molds of your teeth, dispatch them to a lab, and within 5 to 10 days, a custom-fitted teeth whitening mouthpiece would return. During 1 to 2 hour sessions in the dental chair, these mouthpieces filled with low-concentration peroxide would rest against your teeth and gums. After 3 to 4 visits, your teeth would typically be declared visibly whiter, and indeed, they usually were, alongside a bill ranging from $500 to $1,000. Yet, dental office teeth whitening has evolved considerably in the past decade. The popular procedure, laser bleaching or power bleaching, is now shorter. It involves applying concentrated peroxide gel to your teeth and exposing them to a special light, often argon, for about an hour, expediting the whitening process. While this method does yield results, some dentists argue that repeated tray applications provide a wider smile as the peroxide stays in contact with your teeth longer. Despite this, the significant expense persists, leaving you either returning 6 months later for a touch-up or equipped with take-home whitening items. It begs the question, why spend hundreds for an in-office procedure? Thankfully, technology has intervened to simplify and make teeth whitening more cost-effective. Method number 2. Home teeth whitening. Let's clear the air. Achieving dental office quality teeth whitening is now feasible for most individuals from the comfort of their homes. At home, teeth whitening has challenged the dominance of in-office power bleaching systems, where massive advertising budgets now compete with the convenience of home-based whitening. And for valid reasons. Until recently, teeth whitening was a complex process primarily due to the challenge of creating custom-fitted mouthpieces for each person, rendering home teeth whitening impractical for many. 3 available home teeth whitening options. Brush-on whitening. The concept seems appealing. Brush on the formula, let it dry overnight. However, it caters to those seeking shortcuts and often results in uneven whitening due to the formula's susceptibility to rubbing off when wet. Strips applied to teeth. These strips offer simplicity but might fail to cover all tooth surfaces adequately, leaving gaps in the whitening process. Trays with bleaching gels. Consider the best compromise between affordability and efficiency. These trays, when paired with quality gels, offer superior whitening. However, it's crucial to avoid gels with glycerin, as it can cause tooth sensitivity. Guidelines for optimal results. Preparation. Use an oxygenating toothpaste before whitening to ensure direct contact between the whitening gel and your enamel. Custom-fitted trays. Option for trays that snugly fit your teeth and gums to maximize contact with the gel. Quality whitening gel. Choose a high concentration, 21% carbamide peroxide, gel formulated without glycerin for efficient and less sensitivity-inducing whitening. Aftercare. Use an alcohol-free oxygenating oral rinse post-whitening to enhance the effect without hindering the bleaching process. Following this regimen for 5 consecutive days can significantly brighten your smile. You can even treat the upper and lower arches separately for comfort. Expect a visibly wider smile after this regimen, guaranteed. Exploring natural methods for teeth whitening can significantly enhance your efforts to brighten your smile. However, misconceptions often lead people down paths that can inadvertently harm their teeth. Let's delve into 3 common mistakes individuals make with natural teeth whitening and learn how to avoid them. Using lemon or orange peels. Some believe rubbing lemon or orange peels on teeth can whiten them, but this technique poses serious risks. The high citric acid content in these fruits can erode the protective enamel coating on teeth. Enamel safeguards teeth from decay, and its erosion can heighten vulnerability to cavities and deterioration. While this method might yield temporarily whiter teeth, the long-term damage far outweighs the short-lived results. Unfortunately, the potential harm isn't widely recognized. People often mistake the immediate whitening effect for efficacy, perpetuating misinformation and prompting others to adopt this harmful practice. Expecting rapid results, natural teeth whitening is a gradual process devoid of instant solutions. Anticipating dramatic changes within an unreasonably short period often leads to disappointment. Consistent use of proven safe methods, like brushing with peroxide, yields gradual yet discernible results. Patience is key, envisaging brighter teeth over several months rather than seeking immediate transformations is realistic. Combining natural techniques with other whitening approaches might expedite results, but maintaining realistic expectations is crucial. Believing whitening replaces oral hygiene. A common fallacy is equating white teeth with overall dental health. While whitening enhances aesthetics, it doesn't substitute regular oral care. Optimal oral hygiene, comprising diligent brushing and flossing, is fundamental for both oral health and maintaining whiteness. Although brushing and flossing are primary preventive measures, numerous factors contribute to teeth staining, necessitating additional whitening techniques. However, without consistent oral care post-whitening, stains and discoloration may swiftly reappear. Numerous safe and effective natural teeth whitening methods exist, but informed choices are pivotal. Unlike procedures monitored by dentists, these natural remedies lack professional oversight. Remember, the term natural teeth whitening doesn't inherently guarantee safety or efficacy. Prioritize well-informed decisions when exploring these techniques. While they offer promise, they demand careful consideration to safeguard dental health. Always remember that the pursuit of a brighter smile should never compromise the well-being of your teeth. Join our community of passionate minds diving into the realms of enlightenment, spirituality, and personal growth. By subscribing to Light Upon Light's Official, you'll unlock thought-provoking discussions on mindfulness and self-discovery, explorations into ancient wisdom and modern philosophies, guided practices for a balanced and fulfilling life, insights that illuminate your path to self-improvement. Don't miss out on a beacon of wisdom in a world of noise. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a journey towards enlightenment together. Remember, the brightest lights shine within.